Hey, this is Mr. Coker, and this video is about finding the volume of a pyramid. Now, this object I have up here is a pyramid. If it doesn't look like a pyramid, sorry, it's supposed to, but it is a pyramid. So, to find the area of any pyramid, this is the formula. Area of base times height divided by 3. Now you can remember, hopefully, from the cylinder and cone, volume of cylinder and cone video, that with those two, or with the volume of a cone, you divided by 3. This is 3 dimensions. It's a 3-dimensional object and you divide by 3 at the end. Same idea with pyramids. Now, when we do the second example, I will not divide by 3, and I'll explain why. We do divide by 3, but we don't, and I'll explain why. This one, we divide by 3. This one is really easy, and I will show you why. So, the first thing you want to see is, are we doing a rectangular base, or do we have a triangular base? Now this one, the base has 4 sides. It's actually a square. They're all the same side, but same idea. So, because we have a 4-sided base, this is going to be super easy. Now, to find the area of the base, you just do 3 times 3. 3 times 3. Length times width. Times the height is 4, and divide that by 3. And now you put this in a calculator or do it in your head, and you get 12. That's it. When you get one that looks like this, where we have a rectangular or a square base, we're going to do length times width of the base times the height divided by 3, and you're done. These problems should be very, very easy. I say should be, because I know, you never know, but they're very simple problems. Length of the base times width of the base times height divided by 3. Done. With the cones, we had to use pi. We also had to sometimes find the radius. It's still simple, but this is even simpler. Okay, what about when we have a triangular base? And to do these problems, I'm doing off of our worksheet for the day. Okay, I'm erasing this now, so pause this if you need to. I'll make this look like a right triangle. All of the problems that we have that we have in this one today are right triangles. Okay, now, here we have another pyramid, but this time the base, this part, the base, is actually a triangle, not a square or rectangle. You have 1, 2, 3 sides. Now, when we're finding the area of a triangle, what we're going to find is this. We're finding 1/2 base times height, which can also be written as base times height divided by 2. Same thing. Keep that in mind. It's base times height divided by 2. Well, if we have a right triangle, what is the base and what is the height? I'll give you a hint. It's the two sides which are not the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is the side not connected to the right angle. It's also the longest side. Now in this problem, the base gives us the numbers 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, and 5. Well, only the two shorter of those two numbers are actually part of, only the shorter of those two numbers are actually part of the, yeah, only the short numbers are actually the base of the height. So we would do base times height divided by 2 is 6, and then we would do, and then we have 6, we have a base, we have the area is 6, and we can do 6 times 9 divided by 3. 6 times 9 is 54. Divided by 3 gives us 18. And that's it. That's your answer. Now, hopefully that's easy enough. However, I'm going to give you an easier way to do it, a quicker way to do it. See, the longest side is 5. Actually, let's change the numbers here so we can try something different. We'll change the numbers. Let's make it 8, 6, 10, and 11. 8, 6, 10, and 11. Now, this time, I'm going to do this the quick way. The base, we have 8, 6, and 10. Cross out the 10. It's the biggest number, so we're not using it. Okay? Now, we divide the base by 2 to find the area. Once we're done, we divide everything by 3. What's 2 times 3? It's 6. Write this down, please. We're going to do leg 1 times leg 2. These are two different legs. We're not the hypotenuse. Times height divided by 6. 2 times 3 is 6. We're dividing twice, once by 2, once by 3. That's 6. Cross out the hypotenuse, multiply the other 3 numbers together, divide by 6. In this case, 8 times 6 times 11 divided by 6 is 88. When you have a pyramid where the base is a triangle, the easiest way to do it, look at the base, cross off the hypotenuse. If they give you the hypotenuse, cross it off. You don't need it. Take the base, take the other 2 numbers as your base and height, multiply them together, multiply the height. So leg 1 times leg 2 times height, divide by 6. Leg 1 times leg 2 times height, divided by 6, and you're done. So anyway, that's it. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.